We are at it again. Today we are at the motocross track. We've got all the bikes loaded up, not all the bikes, but we've got the main bikes, although the RTRs we ride a lot too. We got the main bikes with us. I'm gonna be ripping the Stark today. Ryder's gonna be trying out the Arctic Leopard on the track today. We've been mainly riding the KOMODO on the motocross track. That's really the whole reason why we got that bike is moto bike and then the trail bike for Ryder on the Arctic. But I see plenty of people on YouTube ripping the Arctic on a motocross track, so we're gonna give it a go. Honestly, today is gonna be obviously having fun, but I'm gonna focus on suspension. Ryder suspension we've toyed with. On the last video I've mentioned it. We put an Ultra B rear shock on the rear end. Kind of tuned it a little bit for trails. I'm going to see how that's actually going to do on the motocross track. Might be a little soft, so we might need to stiffen up the rear shock a little bit. Maybe the front forks a little bit. We got some old boy out there ripping. I love me the sound of a two-stroke. The same with the Arctic Leopard. We've just been cruising some trails with it, not really hitting jumps or anything. So the suspension's a little bit loose on that bike, so we're going to toy with it today, kind of see what's up. The Stark's kind of ready to go, so I'm just going to go out and rip that thing. But yeah, appreciate y'all joining. Let's have a good time. All right, I'm excited about this one. So I'm gonna just kind of take it slow and sightsee this first lap. We've actually tilled it. Look at this, looks good. Usually, oh, here we go, here's Bubba. Usually this track is extremely dry and rutted and they never prep it. It looks like, man, he's redone the faces. Looks like I can maybe actually triple that one now. Usually this corner is extremely dry. You basically flat track it around it. Looks like they actually tilled it, watered it, which is awesome. I'm having to watch my back tire. I don't know what happened. I guess I might have pinched it or something. I don't know. It was low last night. I aired it up and it stayed aired up for quite a while, but it was low again this morning. So I'm hoping I can get the ride in today. If not, I'll take the KOMODO and Ryder will ride the Arctic Leopard. That's the benefit of bringing them. So far, I'm pretty impressed with what they've done. This track is called Badlands. It's here in Celeste, Texas. It's been here a long time. This is actually the track that I cut my teeth on. This is a place that I really started getting good. I started racing here quite a bit. They do night series out here. That's why if you look around, you'll see all the lights. They mainly do night races out here, so it's Saturday night racing. And during the summer, it's really awesome because it's hot, right? So doing it at night, in the dark, obviously not in the sunlight, makes it really awesome. Now, problem is there's a bunch of bugs. Those lights just attract a bunch of bugs. Ooh, that one looks a lot better too. The track layout hasn't really changed over the years. This has been the same layout, where it looks good. This has been the same layout for quite some time. But I mean, it's all good. If he can continue to prep the track like he is now, it would really keep people coming here. I'd hate to see this track go somewhere. It's been here for so long. I've seen quite a few tracks in my riding lifetime, which has been over 20 years. I'm 34, I've been riding over 20 years. There's my homeboy, Hunter. I've seen a lot of tracks shutting down or either go to training only, and it sucks, man. I mean, I want to do practice days on the weekends. Luckily, this one is still doing it. Oh yeah, nice and loose right here. So what I usually do is get a couple sight laps, kind of loosen up a little bit, burn a few laps, go to the truck, take a break, and then my next outing, I really get down on it. Okay. All right. Maybe try to pick it up a little bit here. So that's a little double. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the Stark should be able to triple that. Oh yeah. That reface double felt good. We just double this. Oh yeah, track looks good. Come up a little short, no problem. Remember to breathe. That's what I try to tell everybody. In the nose, out the mouth. In the nose. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Oh, a little short. A little short, no problem. Messed up my rut. Let's hit this one. Woo! Come up short on that. That's okay. I made it out safe. Y'all gonna hate me, but I'm gonna skip the whoops. I'm here to ride, man. Just have fun. All right, got that next go. I was going for it, but my back tire slipped out. So I thought I'd play it safe instead of wrecking my first go. A little short. No problem, I'll get it next lap. There we go. Let's get this one now. There we go. I'll get that one next go around. Whew. Feeling good. I may or may not triple that. Again, I'm just having fun today. There we go. Triple step up, got that. Oh yeah, feeling good. There we go. Got that little table. Good little rut. Little scrub. Little short. See if I can get this one now. Oh, it's smooth. Messed up my corner. That's all good. Woo. got this fucking bike. Yes! Stark, baby. Y'all didn't see it, but I did a little goon 1-footer. See if I can get this again. Woo! I'm gonna take me a break now. That was fun. Give me a little hot lap. Get my blood flowing. Go back. Get me some water. Get me a little snack. Oh yeah, the track's nice. Let me see. Oh, come help me, Bubba. Instead of just looking at me. Well, that'll make a good video. I don't know. Missed my tree. All right, let's go for round 2. Ryder's gonna try out the Arctic Leopard on the track. This is his first couple sight laps, so bear with him. So the Stark and the Arctic Leopard XE Pro S. I'll take the inside. Does it? I bet it does. That's not the moto bike, usually. Let this guy around me. He'll probably go back and get the Komodo. Doesn't look like he's digging that one as much. Oh, almost, Bubba. You almost got it. There he goes. You okay, bro? What happened? I wrecked my foot. Oh, you didn't wreck though? Okay, good. Just checking, bro. Oh, he's going through the whoops. Good job, Bubba. Oh, there he goes. Nice. Oh, ow, hit me now. He's got that jump. There he goes. Good job, Bubba. Komodo and Stark. Father and son. I'll work with him on that. We'll get those doubles. This one, nah. It's too hard at the corner for him right now. Let's see, he's doubling this step up. Let's get this. Oh, he's cornering it off. Okay. Well, whatever works. Hey, okay. Good job, Bubba. Good job, Bubba. Oh, here he goes. Oh, Oh, good job, dude. You hit the table good. Oh, there he goes. That's my boy. We're pretty impressed with this Komodo. He's got this jump. Come on, Bubba. Oh, almost, buddy. He's getting there. I'm gonna take the inside. Nice! There he goes! Let's see, he hits this one pretty good. Oh yeah, good job, son. Oh, he's got this. I will work with him on this. Been riding over 20 years, like I said. Never gets old. Oh yeah. Felt good. Felt good. Oh yeah, love it. Man, I tell you, I'm the quietest out on the track, and I'm damn sure the loudest in the pits. Kind of funny how that works on these e-bikes. I gotta get a quieter generator. I use this one instead of this one for the start because this one's got the 240 plug-in, that one don't. And when I want to do a fast charge, I'll need this generator. All right, gonna go out for my third round. We're only doing about 4 or 5 laps each round. It's hot today, y'all. I said we'd lucked out because it's supposed to be warm, cooler, and I think they were wrong because, man, it's toasty. Now, I grew up in Texas, so I'm used to riding in this type of weather. But, whew, I ain't no spring chicken anymore, y'all. Oh, yeah. Man, I love riding. I love riding the street, motocross, trails. Y'all will see it all, and I absolutely love it. But realistically, this is what I do the most, and this is what I enjoy the most. Is motocross. The trails, though, that's really teaching my son good bike control, standing up, or at least trying to get him to stand up more, throwing the bike around better, using the brakes better, you know, as far as rear brake, front brake, the right configuration. It seems to be playing out because today at the track, he's looking pretty good. I'm super proud of him. All right. I think I'm riding on 80 horsepower. I don't, accidentally. My throttle is super twitchy right now. I'm kind of rocking with it, but oh, I meant to take the inside. Breathe in my nose, out my mouth. In my nose, out my mouth. In my nose, out my mouth. A little scrub. Man, I keep coming up short on that one. I love this handbrake, rear handbrake. A little short on that one. Let's try this inside. This jump's really fun now. God damn. Bike has power. Oh, stalled it. Ha, nice, bro. He was trying not to let me pass. That's what happens on those gas bikes. I can't do that. That's it, boys. That's a day. That's a wrap.